Now, this is a very famous graphic designer, Milton Glaser. He's a US-based graphic designer who, I don't know if somebody, a lot of people know over here, he designed the most famous logo of the world over, which is I Love New York logo. And he was the guy who was the designer of the logo for DC Comics. Okay, you know, the comics which has Superman, Batman, and all that. So this was the guy who created those logos, and these are some of his I would say just a couple of his works. So he's really famous all over the world. He was. So this is the statement he very truly says. There are three responses to a piece of design: yes, no, and wow. And wow, as UX designers, as UI designers, this is something we should all aim for. Wow is the one to aim for, because what happens is, yeah, if you put something in front of you, what happens? Yes, it's okay. No, I don't like it. But when a user says wow, it helps them interact with the product. It makes it desirable. You know, the user, or the person who's seeing the product would want to use the product again and again. For example, day-to-day life, going back to that, you have different phones around you. You have a lot of phones, but a lot of people still desire for an iPhone, or they desire for a S20 Ultra, which are high-end phones. Why? Because they have been designed in such a way that people, whenever they see it, they say, wow.